How much of your day gets actually spent on work that you're proud of? The kind of work that you would talk about in an interview? The stuff that specifically needs your talents, your time? For most, it's not much time at all. Technology was supposed to make work easier. The chaos of trying to track everything and everyone down, trying to figure out who's doing what and what you should be doing. The perfect software would take care of itself, so you can focus on what you're great at. Axamy takes care of coordinating so you can have impact with your work. Give Axamy an idea, or a problem, or anything really, and it'll take care of orchestrating the rest. On the homepage, Axamy shows me only what I need to know or do, and nothing more. We call it the decision queue, and it helps me contribute instantly. There are hundreds of actions in this workspace, and because Axamy can think for itself, it doesn't bother me with every minor update. Instead of figuring out what needs me by sifting through countless messages, emails, and threads, I go to my decision queue, and I start exactly with what needs me. We call individual things that need to happen actions, and each of them live in a page like this. Interact with it like a group chat, with AI and the other team members. And you can easily pull people in if you need their perspective. All you have to do is tell Axamy to go get them. Send a quick email to Connor. I need his thoughts on the latest script that I adjusted. The demo plan has been adapted. I'm recording right now. Axamy creates the tasks and crosses them off as they get done. It summarizes everything everyone needs to know about the work and keeps it moving forward. Nobody's wasting time following up with people, closing things out, or figuring out who should do what. In fact, don't worry about following up on this. Axamy will make sure it moves, reach out to the people responsible, and let you know if things are moving forward. Axamy will adjust the check-in date, the due date, and everything else in the description as work happens to reflect the current state of things. Actions come together around goals here on the planning page. I could plan the rest of the month's worth of work in just a few minutes. I'll tell Axamy, let's focus on the plan for launching Axamy on Product Hunt. As you can see, it uses its knowledge of our people and work to figure out how to get things done. Planning ahead requires one conversation and a few minutes, not multiple tabs and hours. Updates is one of the powerful ways everything on Axamy stays in sync. You set the cadence, daily, weekly, or monthly, and everyone just has a short conversation with Axamy, using voice or text. I want to set up an update session for myself at the end of every day, so I can brief you on my updates. "5 p.m. sounds good. Let's focus on go-to-market progress, first and foremost. This is what an update session looks like. Producing the explainer video is going really well. I'm actually doing it right now. Everyone talks to Axamy on their own time. Axamy handles the coordination, the routing, and the follow-through, so the work keeps moving. Axamy also changes the way you communicate. You can deliver information and get feedback from as many people as you want. I want to get everyone's thoughts on the introductory video I'm making about Axamy. Can you draft up an email to everyone to get their thoughts? Think about what it normally takes to get a message through to a large group, or to get information back. A whole structure of human relays, an email nobody answers, a message someone misses. We render that obsolete. You can have real conversations with thousands of people, and get the information back, all in the same chat. Axamy pulls in what happens at your meetings and turns it into work. It looks at the transcript in order to orchestrate what the team does next. If you want consistent, specific things to happen, you can add a rule. I have asked Axamy to tag customer calls, and update our CRM with relevant information afterwards. A lot of our customers have calls with their teams every morning. Axamy grabs the transcript and figures out who needs to do what. Something that used to take them hours to coordinate on now just happens automatically. With trends, you point Axamy at the outside world, a regulation, a competitor, or a shift in your market. Axamy watches it and helps you adjust the plan moving forward. You can set trend rules for any number of things, and you can choose how you want the report delivered. There's a whole training side to Axamy too. Managing people well means distributing work, and then building them up for said work. You can create courses, tutoring, and simulations all with a single prompt. You can use your own documents, or even a video. It doesn't just track completion. It tells you how people did, what went well, and what didn't. That's Axamy.